RF certification in Indonesia is not free, and the cost is among the highest in Southeast Asia. Before you apply, you need to know exactly what you are paying for. Budget planning is one of the more overlooked parts of RF certification in Indonesia. Many manufacturers only discover the cost after they have already started the process. In this video, we break down every cost involved for RF certification in Indonesia, by pathway, by product type, and by payment stage. There are two separate costs for RF certification in Indonesia. The first is testing fee and the second is certificate issuance fee. Testing fee paid before the testing begins, and the certificate issuance fee paid after the document passed the evaluation. These are not combined into one payment. They are billed separately at different stages. Miss either one and your process stops. RF certification in Indonesia has four application pathway: local testing, document evaluation or paperwork, document evaluation based RF module reports, and partial paperwork. Each pathway has different cost structure. For local testing, you pay both testing fee and certificate issuance fee. For document evaluation, you pay the certificate issuance fee only. For RF module report, you pay an additional test and issuance fee. And for partial paperwork, you pay the missing test plus the issuance fee. The pathway you choose directly affect how much you spend. Local testing fee are set by Indonesian government and only apply to DJID accredited government labs. The most comprehensive government labs is BBPT, where all 5 types of testing can be performed. Here's the testing fee at BBPT. Short range and low power devices, 4,500,000. Mobile phones and mobile modems, 5,500,000. Gateways, switches, and routers for CPE, 3 million. Set-top box and digital TV, 6,500,000. Gateways, switches, routers, and signaling, 8 million. Radar, 9 million. Satellite-based telecommunication, 7 million. EMC testing, 5 million. Electrical safety, 1,500,000. SAR testing, 7 million. For certificate issuance fee is depend on two things: your product type and your lab type. Products are divided into categories: HKT for handphone, computer, and tablet, and non-HKT for everything else. Lab types are divided into local labs, MRA International Lab, and non-MRA International Labs. Local lab test report, 12 million for both HKT and non-HKT. Non-HKT with MRA International Lab, 50 million. Non-HKT with non-MRA International Lab, 60 million. Non-HKT with combination reports and MRA, 30 million. Non-HKT with combination report and non-MRA, 40 million. HKT with MRA International Lab, 60 million. HKT with non-MRA International Lab, 60 million. HKT with combination reports and MRA, 40 million. HKT with combination report and MRA, 40 million. And HKT with combination reports and non-MRA, 50 million. Here's how payment works in practice. Testing fees are paid first, directly to the lab, before the testing begins. No payment, no testing. After testing is complete and documents submitted, DJID will evaluate everything. If approved, DJID will issue certificate payment invoice, called SP2. You have 14 working days to pay SP2. Pay it and your certificate is ready within 24 hours. 2 payments, 2 stages, both are mandatory. That's everything you need to know about the cost to apply RF certification in Indonesia. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.